Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best 4K dash camera. We'll dig into what makes the Lingdu Hui 620 special, its strengths and drawbacks. Let's get started. Product features: dual 4K front plus 1080p rear, 150-degree angle. Captures ultra-sharp 4K video at the front and 1080p at the rear with a 150-degree ultra-wide lens. Covers 4 lanes and reduces blind spots for road safety. HDR and WDR for lighting balance. HDR and WDR tech handle challenging light, sun, shade, glare. Turn off HDR to enable 60 FPS mode for smoother video motion. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers. Wi-Fi 6 connects quickly to the Lingdu app, making footage downloading and settings tweaks cable-free and 3 times faster than 2.4 GHz links. Compact, discreet design. Minimalist and small form factor hides well behind the rearview mirror. Features loop recording and parking mode even when the car is off. Night vision capability. Special sensors and imaging tech let the V620 capture usable footage even in low light, maintaining clarity after dark. 12-month warranty and support. Backed by Lingdu's support with 1 year of warranty and responsive 24/7 technical help. R&D team aims to reply within 24 hours. Pros: dual recording. HDR and WDR for high-contrast scenes. Super fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, compact and discreet design, effective night vision performance, reliable support and warranty. Cons: rear camera limited to 1080p, HDR on may reduce frame rate, requires decent lighting for peak quality, advanced features need app familiarity. Final thoughts: the Lingdu V620 4K dash camera offers excellent value for drivers wanting sharp video, dual camera coverage, and user-friendly connectivity. The mix of HDR, Wi-Fi 6, and solid warranty make it ideal for daily use and peace of mind. If you accept the rear camera's 1080p limit, this is a strong option. Make every drive safer with better footage. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech gear insights.